Hey everyone. Every day we live our life in a routine. Every day we do the same mundane activities day in and day out. And of course, routine is important. It creates discipline. You get things done if you're following a diet or an exercise routine, or you're sending your kids to school or you're going to work. We need a routine. We need a set timetable of time to do something and finish it, and a set time to sleep and get up and all of that, which is all fine, which is what everybody does. But in this whole rigmarole of the everyday routine, do you find some time in the day to have fun? Any kind of fun. Fun that you used to have when you were a kid, fun that you used to have when you used to meet your friends when you were in school. Just pure, simple fun. So, like, my kind of fun is what I do. I love doing in a day. Sometimes, is even if there's nothing, like, just it may sound very silly. It may feel very, like a person has grown up, and my kids really wonder, like, what's my mom doing? But something like, just jumping up and down in happiness, clapping your hands in glee, finding a swing and just swinging, or, sometimes just. Running behind your kids, and really playing hide and seek with them or something, or anything that gives you fun, anything that you used to enjoy when you were a child. So try and bring that into your experience. Of course, like play that mature self like 23 hours of a day and do everything. But just for this 10 minutes, 15 minutes, become like, find that child in you. Find the child in you and do those childish things. Whatever, just laugh loudly over some dumb joke that someone's cracking. And, sometimes we get these laughing fits. Have you seen children, like, they get these laughing fits and they keep giggling and laughing? And anything that gives you fun. Find your fun. Find your joy. That's where it is. So do it now, and thank you for listening.